Are you getting Wi-Fi problems in Windows 11 or 10? Then you are at the right place, as we know how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Wi-Fi adapters are different from Ethernet adapters. But when it comes to functionality, they are both network adapters. So unless it's a problem with the hardware, troubleshooting both is more or less the same. Here is how to fix the most common Wi-Fi problems in Windows 11 or 10. Let's get started. Method 1. Turn on the Wi-Fi adapter. Click on the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray and make sure it's not grey or dark shaded. If that's the case, then the adapter is turned off. You should also see a drop-down option that says Turn Wi-Fi back on manually or in 1 hour or 4 hours or in 1 day. Click on the Wi-Fi icon to turn it on. Next, click on the network you plan to connect and enter the password to complete. Method 2. Computer does not connect to Wi-Fi automatically. If you often connect to a network but every time you turn on Wi-Fi, it doesn't connect automatically, then turn on that option. When connecting to a new network, always make sure to check the box which says Connect Automatically. To get the option back to the already connected network, disconnect and then select the adapter again. Then Connect Automatically choice will reveal itself. Method 3. Connected to Wi-Fi but no or limited internet. If you have limited internet, follow our guide to fixing the limited Wi-Fi connection problem. But for no internet issue, here is what you can do. Go to Settings, then select System, then Troubleshoot. Next, select Other Troubleshooters. Click on the Run button next to Network and Internet and wait till the troubleshooting is completed. Next, you can run some commands to troubleshoot Wi-Fi problems. Open Command Prompt as Admin and run the following commands one after the other to flush DNS cache, reset TCP IP, and reset WinSock. NetSH WinSock reset, NetSH INT IP reset, ipconfig/flush DNS. Method 4. Problem with wireless adapter or access point. When troubleshooting Wi-Fi issues, if you receive an error saying problem with wireless adapter or access point, then you can power cycle the modem, router, and computer to fix the issue. Method 5. Low Wi-Fi signal strength on Windows 11 or 10. The Windows Wi-Fi icon typically reflects the strength of your connection. If you own the router, you can widen the Wi-Fi range by investing in a more powerful router or using extenders. Another option is switching to the 2.4 GHz band, which provides broader coverage but slightly lower signal strength. Method 6. Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Similar to the previous issue, Wi-Fi can keep disconnecting if the signal strength is too weak. It can happen if the PC gets in sleep mode early or if the VPN is using the kill switch to disconnect. Method 7. Unable to find Wi-Fi networks. You cannot find a Wi-Fi network because either the network name SSID is hidden, so you need to know it to connect. You can move closer to the router. If you see very few Wi-Fi networks, update your Wi-Fi driver or roll back a recent update. Method 8. Update Wi-Fi driver. To resolve the Wi-Fi problem, you can update the Wi-Fi driver. You can find out the actual manufacturer of the Wi-Fi adapter and check if they have updated to get along with the latest release of Windows. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.